Hello, welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha with Nancy. So we're having French bread pizza, but I'm doing something different. So we're going to, for my base, is an avocado. And I just mixed it with olive oil, and we're going to spread it on our bread, like so. Because I don't use red tomatoes at this time because it causes inflammation. So we're trying something new and different. And then we're going to do the other one. Alrighty. And we're going to spread that all the way to the end. On both ends. Alrighty, here we go. And then we're going to put our toppings on. And if there's any left over, take a bite. Alright. So, now we're going to add our cheese. Alright. We still have power. So we're going to add our cheese, our dairy-free cheese. And add some cheese on this one. A little more won't hurt. There we go. That's not my stuff in the bag. Right, now we're going to add some chicken. But I think first I'll do the spinach. We're going to have spinach. And with the chicken first. And then the spinach on top. There we go. Add some more chicken. Do the chicken. We'll add that spinach on that one. Add the chicken on this one. Alrighty, we're getting there. This looks so good already. Let's spread out our spinach. Some spinach over here. Okay. And then we're going to add some onions to it. So, add some white onions. And then we're going to family. Alrighty. Oops. Didn't realize I didn't have all those onions. But the green are the tops from the onions in the garden. So I'll add this to this slice. All come out. There we go. Put that on the bread. On top of our pizza. Oh, and we're going to put this in the oven, a 400-degree oven, for about 15 minutes. And then we'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. And we want to take these out. Ooh, that looks so good. I'm a little on the crunchy side, but that's okay. There we are. They are done. So, we'll see about taking a taste test. It's really so hot. Alright. Give me one moment. Real quick, I decided to add some honey mustard to it. add the honey mustard.